sun whose light shines a beacon burning bright. Capital city, strong and true. We raise our voices just for you. With knowledge, truth, and dignity, we strive for peace and unity. Excellence, a guiding flame, forever proud to be your name. Capital city, we stand as one in truth and light.